How to activate Maya eSIM. Purchased a Maya mobile eSIM and aren't sure how to get it running? This guide will walk you through the full activation process in a few quick steps. Alright guys, so you firstly need to purchase it. Of course, you can head to Maya Mobile's website, choose your destination or regional plan, and complete the purchase. Right after payment, you'll receive an email with your eSIM QR code and activation details. Alright, so now let's discuss how to activate. So on iPhone, you go to the settings, cellular, and add eSIM. On Android, it's usually settings, connections, SIM manager, add eSIM. Look for the option to scan a QR code. After that, using your phone's camera, you can scan the QR code from Maya's email. This installs the eSIM profile directly onto your device. Within a few seconds, you'll see the new Maya mobile plan added under your SIM settings. And after that, you can just go into your SIM settings, select the Maya mobile eSIM, and set it as your mobile data line. Once enabled, your phone should connect to the local partner network and show signal bars. And you can also test your connection, open a browser or app to confirm you're online. If needed, restart your phone to refresh the connection. Remember, Maya eSIM is data only. For calls and texts, use apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, or iMessage. So that is the eSIM activation for you guys. Quick, simple, and no need to swap your physical SIM cards. So if this helped you, don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe for more easy tutorials.